Welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. She is a boss, but she is not bossy. She is the only boss. She always get it done like a boss. Now, let's get it done like a boss.
Got so tired of waiting. Got tired of the chase. I've been feeling like lately there's nothing in the way. Getting so impatient. Need to get away now with you. With you. You're gone now. Will you coming back? Yeah, I know that. Yeah, I know that. You're the traveling kind. It's a known fact. Yeah, I know that. Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you've traveled the world, all the spaces inside your heart, I hope I'll be your destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation.
Bonjour, bonsoir mes amours, salam alaikum, buenos dias, mabuhay kijanuye, bienvenue sur ma chaîne. Hey you guys, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you are new, welcome. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. My name is Linda. On my channel I post tons of home decor, a little bit of cooking and cleaning. Please consider subscribing before I leave. I would love you to be part of my YouTube family. Thank you so much for stopping by. Coucou la famille, bienvenue sur ma chaîne. Je me présente, je m'appelle Linda. Si c'est votre première fois ici, n'oubliez pas de vous abonner, liker, partager et d'activer la cloche de notification pour ne pas manquer aucune de mes vidéos et de me laisser un petit commentaire. Merci. Si c'est la première fois que vous tombez sur la chaîne, la bienvenue ou la caillou, moi c'est Linda. Pas oublier abonner, quitter un commentaire et partager avec amis. Now, let's get it done like a boss.
You'll come home to me once you travel the world, all the spaces inside your heart. I hope I'll be your destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be your destination. You're gone now, but you're coming back. Yeah, I know that. Yeah, I know that. You're the traveling kind. It's a known fact. Yeah, I know that. I hope I'll be your destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be your destination.
returning subscribers. Thank you guys so much for always coming back. Thank you for being here and supporting my channel. I truly can't tell you enough how much I appreciate you guys. I am honored. Thank you guys so much for everything. Thanks a lot for all of your support. May the Lord continue to bless each and every single one of you. Thank you so much, guys. She is a boss.
지구라는 섬 위에 살아가는 건 끝없는 paradise. 모두가 부정하려고 해도 눈물 훔치고 끝잎을 펼쳐내가 향기에 속지 마요. 착하기만 한 건 아니에요. 날카로운 대신 장난인 맘에 사실은 조금만 기다렸는지 몰라. 그대가 손을 뻗어주기를 기나긴 기다림이라는 터널 끝에 Stay 내게 강하기만 한 건 아니에요. 날카로운 날개 속에 맘을 만들 강하기만 한 건 아니에요. 날카로운 날개 속에 맘을 만들 Always think of you when spring comes, like it's something in the air at that time. Don't know why. Always dream of you when spring comes. It's like the heat on my skin takes me back to the time met you on a Friday, halfway out at the door of the club, playing soul on the weekends. Stayed in bed till Wednesday. Fell in love with you right there and then. I was young, couldn't see that. Couldn't see that. Leather jacket, though it's too cold. Saw your face in the crowd, and I think without eyes, her just perfect. Yeah, she's beautiful. Never thought you'd be here. It took me by surprise when I met you in the doorway. I had a friend of a friend. Never thought I would see you this soon, but hope she really loves you. 'Cause I swear you deserve everything. Wish that I knew that sooner. We got sober, it was over, but I told you know the two of you wanna be friends, but I don't think I can. But I wanna be happy, happy for I'm acting surprised, but I know I'm not over you. Keep missing our fights, even though they're so overdue. We had a fire, now we're watching it burn low. Isn't it time we go our separate ways? Not enough time, not enough time. I'm falling behind, I hate to separate my body and mind, my body and mind. You feel like demons in my mind, demons in my mind. You taste like demons in my mind, demons pushing all my triggers. Losing my pride, but I guess that's what love.
Thank you guys so much for watching. See you next time in the next one. Bye, ciao, tata, au revoir, à la prochaine, à bientôt, Malé. Peace out.
We watch it burn out. Isn't it time we go our separate ways? Not enough time.